So when I purchased this, it came with line already like on it, and I think it's just 6-pound monofilament line. You can see this is a 2-piece. It breaks apart right here. You can see how I've got it set up right here. I've just pretty much put it like this, and I put the bite alert on. So the handy feature about this one, you see this button right here? There's a switch right here. So what is the bite alert? So the bite alert lets the rod go in reverse, so that way if a fish does take the bait, it doesn't pull the rod out to the water. See, watch what happens if I pull on the line, everybody. So you see that? So I'm going to start pulling on the line right here. You hear that? So if I'm sitting over there and I hear that clicking and I see that going, I can come over here, pick it up, and pretty much be ready to go. Got mine in a 6-foot. It's a medium. Line weight is 6 to 14 pounds. Lure weight is 1/8 to 3/4 ounce on the lure weight right here. There is a drag adjustment, so you can go to less drag that way, more drag that way. Thing is, this is a left and right-handed draw. So if I want to reel it in on the right-hand side, all you do is get an Allen key, remove a long screw, and then switch this handle over to the right side. But I've got mine on a left-hand draw, so I'm going to cast with the right and reel back in with the left, and it's pretty easy to do. And then you turn this bite alert off if you don't want it to go backwards like that or make that sound. Let me do some casting for y'all and show you what this thing looks like, because it's pretty good on its casting. Doesn't take much. I got a very lightweight little spinner bait on here, like a little crappie top bait that I recommend. This is my favorite little crappie bait right here, right there. And I think it's a great option if that's what you're catching. And I'm running a little floaty. There it is. That's all I got today on the Zebco 33 rod and reel combo. You know what? A good old Zebco. These things have been around forever, and I think they're perfect. See you on the next video.